హాయ్ అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. హ్యాపీ ఉగాది టు ఆల్. టుడే I was actually making Ugadi Pachadi, which has 11 flavors in that. So it just tells about, there is also included, it's like mixture of different moments in our life. Like there will be sweet moments, there will be a very depressed moments, there will be even a crying moments. So life is a mixture of different moments, so that we have to encourage, or we have to even see all kind of flavors in our life. Also, when I was reading my kids book, I have seen one different thing like called as Hamsa Kshira Nyaya. So this is something like a magical swan taking only milk from the, it's like, a milk will be having water and milk mixed, right? So but the magical swan only takes the milk, it doesn't take in water, it just leaves the water. So in the same way, our thoughts, like someone expressing about anything to me or to others, it's like their passed by thoughts. So we should not be thinking about what they think about us. So selective absorption is important. We have to select what we have to take from others' comments or feedback. If it is constructive for us, yes, go for it. If it is, it's like glance at the negatives and just focus on positives. That's really, really important. And I have even noted one more thing. So good and bad comes in a mixed bag. For example, today actually I have even ordered vegetables. So obviously because of festival, there is like, there are many bad things also. What we usually do, if we get the bad vegetables, we throw it off. So why can't we actually do the same in our life as well? If we are getting something bad from others, take it, but don't take it to heart. Learn from it. Take how do we improve on it. So this is the main thing that I want to tell you. People say many things, people do many things. Everyone who are actually telling about us are just, it's their passed by comments. If we want to take, we can take it. But if you want to take it to the heart, then it's up to you. It may actually even cause stress for you. So very important thing is selective absorption. Like the magical swan, we also have to take only milk, but not water from others' thoughts or comments. At last, it's we who are important for us. That's all for today, and happy Ugadi again. See you all. Bye bye.